Here lies a very sad cat who would so desperately wants to go out for some reason because it's rainy outside. Nam Nam, you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? Tell your mother. Nam Nam. Nam Nam. You want to go outside? You don't want to stay in? You don't want to stay in, buddy? Stay in and... No? Play with Apple? Eat some crunch food? Not be out there in the wet with teenage? Huh? Is that what you want to do? Let's see. You want to go out? You want to go out so bad. There's some fresh food. To your secret hiding place he goes. All in the rain. His favorite. And off he goes. And poof, he was gone.